Hi, I'm Steggy from Elgato, and this is 4K 60 Pro Mark II. The 4K 60 Pro Mark II is our latest internal PCIe capture card and replaces the original 4K 60 Pro, and with it brings a lot of improvements over its predecessor. First off is the size. The 4K 60 Pro has seriously slimmed down from the original, and also like the original, 4K 60 Pro Mark II has multi-card support, allowing you to connect multiple Mark IIs to one computer, allowing you to connect multiple consoles or computers, cameras, whatever you decide. 4K 60 Pro Mark II captures it up to 4K at 60 FPS, as well as higher refresh rates like 1440p at 144Hz or 1080p at 240Hz. This makes the card perfect to capture the latest and greatest consoles like the PS4 Pro or the Xbox One X, as well as the perfect addition to your dual PC streaming setup when you want all those frames for the high-paced action. What's brand new to the Mark II is HDR10 capture. So not only can you pass through HDR so you can enjoy your games at the highest fidelity possible, but now you can create HDR content for your audience. But if you're only interested in playing HDR content, you can easily create SDR content with a built-in chip on the Mark II to allow HDR to SDR conversion. Another great feature to come to the 4K 60 Pro Mark II is multi-app support, which allows you to use the capture card in multiple programs at once. This is really great because you can use the 4K 60 Pro Mark II in OBS or Slobs and stream at 1080p 60 FPS while recording in 4K CU at 4K 60 FPS, so it's kind of the best of both worlds for streaming and recording. And last but not least, the 4K 60 Pro Mark II comes in at an unprecedented price at only $249.95, making it not only the most advanced 4K 60 capture card on the market, but the most affordable as well. 4K content creation has never been more accessible. 4K 60 Pro Mark II is now available on Elgato.com, Amazon.com, and other retailers. Be sure to check out the links in the description to find out more information. Once again, I'm Steggy from Elgato, and until our next video, good luck and have fun. Elgato Gaming, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Elgato capture card with a Nintendo Switch. Before beginning, make sure you've downloaded and installed the latest version of Game Capture software. For this setup, you will need a docked Nintendo Switch, an Elgato capture card, either internal or external, a TV or monitor to play on, and 2 HDMI cables, one of which we include with our capture cards. First, on the back of the Switch's dock, plug one end of the first HDMI cable into the HDMI out port. Take the other end of this cable and plug it into the HDMI in port of your Elgato capture card. We're now going to take the second HDMI cable and plug one end of it into the HDMI out port of your Elgato capture card. Now take the other end of this cable and plug it into the HDMI in port of your TV or monitor. Now, if you have an external Elgato capture card, connect it to your computer with its included USB cable. Now you're ready to plug in the power to your Switch, fire her up, and run Game Capture software. Be sure to check that you're on the correct settings like shown. For the best picture quality, make sure that both the Nintendo Switch and Game Capture software are set to extended color range. And now, you can easily play, record, and stream your favorite Nintendo Switch games on your Elgato capture card. Once again, I'm Jeff from Elgato Gaming, and until our next video, good luck and have fun.